Alright, YouTube community, I need you to tell me what's wrong with my generator. I have this piece of shit 4000 starting watt 3500 Predator Champion, whatever the hell it is. And first thing I'm going to do is show you that the low fuel, this is brand new by the way, it just sat for 3 years. It's got brand new gas in it. I just changed the gas, drained it and refilled it. Show you the oil. Oil level is full. You can see the oil right there at the brim line. It's got brand new oil in it. I have this in the center so it's not making current. Engine switch is on. It's in the run position. Fuel is on. That's all it does. Starts up, runs for about 3 seconds, dun 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 dun, dies. What the fuck? I'm pissed. This thing's brand new. Ran when I put it up. Thinking carburetor, what are we thinking here? That's all it does. I disconnect this wire. I've read online people do that. They disconnect the low or the oil level shutoff. Try that. Does the same damn thing. I don't get it. I can run it on half choke. For just a little bit. Sometimes I can get lucky and run for a minute like that. I don't know. Looking for help, guys.